Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can complete the Princess Stella Gossip Quest in Heartopia. So basically, what you'll need to do is you'll need to feed your cat their favorite food, but it needs to be the cat you first adopted. And basically, to find their favorite foods, I've got a little bit of tip for you guys so you can find it a little bit easier. So I found that cats like lake fishes more. Some of them do like sea fishes, but so far I have two of my cats that like lake fishes. And also you're going to want to feed them the fish that you have in your inventory that's like more than one. So once you're done feeding them, you'll know which one is their favorite. Once you go back to like the please select food, there will be like a heart shape next to it. Here I'll show you. So as you can see, I finally found my cat's favorite food. But if you try to feed your cat again and you have more than one of that fish in your inventory, it says here also the kitty finds today's meal extra tasty, which means again I found their favorite food. So if you feed your cat again, you'll see also there's a heart next to like their favorite food as well. And for my cat, it's the mud sunfish. So make sure you have more than one of your of like the fish before you feed it to your cat in your inventory. But that is how you can complete the quest. I finally completed it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!